Hi guys, looking for a reliable way to store your meals or leftovers? Check out this 10 glass meal prep container set. You get 10 containers and 10 matching lids, each holding up to 30 ounces, great for everyday use. These containers are made from Bors-like glass, which makes them more resistant to temperature changes. Than many regular glass containers, you can move them from the fridge to the oven or microwave without needing to transfer your food. Just remember to take the lid off first. Speaking of lids, they use a snap lock designed with silicone seals. This helps keep your food fresh and prevents leaks or spills. They're easy to open and close, and the lids stay secure without being difficult to use. Whether your meal preparing for the week, packing lunch for work, or starting leftovers from dinner, these containers make the job easier. They dishwasher friendly too. Just put them lids on the top rack or wash them by hand. Which a clean portion size on 30 ounces. They help you stay organized in the kitchen or on the go. They're stackable, sturdy, and save space in your fridge or cabinets. If you're looking for simple functional food containers you can use again and again, this set is a solid choice.